Assalamu alaikum, kids. Come ride with us. Let's go on a happy bus adventures. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. We say Bismillah when we start our ride, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. We thank Allah for sunny and rainy days, Alhamdulillah. The babies on the bus say ma, 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 ma. Mama smiles and says, say Bismillah, all through the ride. The children on the bus say, share with me, share with me, share with me. Sharing is sunnah, kind hearts agree, all through the town. The driver of the bus says, salam, 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 salam. He drives safely and says, subhanallah, all through the ride. The families on the bus say, thank you, driver, thank you, driver, thank you, driver. Good manners shine like a